Tell me what you think, guys. I think it looks pretty yummy. Look at that. Here we are today, guys. We're just here making some chuck steak. Let's see if we can give a better lighting, right? And that's my skillet. And reason why I'm cooking it on the ground like this, whatever mess I make, I can clean it easily. Right? And here we have the rest of the stuff we will be putting inside here. Some lots of beans, sweet pepper, and some tomato. And I just feel like eating lots of veggies tonight. So this is what I'll be eating, and here I'm having a drink while I'm cooking. So you have to find a way to relax yourself when you're on the road. And don't eat at fast food place every day. And I think I might just even add some corn inside. I just feel like eating lots of veggies like this. Slow cook, medium temperature, and crunchy. And I'm going to show you how it turns out in the end. Yeah, that is it. And that's the mini office right there. Here is it, guys. Our steak is getting closer and closer to be ready. So we just cut it like this so that we could make wraps and it could easily chew. Yeah. And that's a skillet, electrical skillet, so you don't need to worry about burning up anything in your truck. It's pretty cool. And here I have one beans on the ground, and this I clean once I'm finished cooking, so even if something spills, I just clean it up, and you could never tell that I cook inside this truck. Here we are putting in some string beans or green beans inside. It's looking good already, as you can see. So we don't want these beans to be really cooked. We just want them to barely cook so they have that crunchy taste. That's how I like it, and that's what I feel for today. And yeah, I just go to the store, get some stuff that I don't normally eat, and put it together. And yeah, we just barely cook, turn it down so it barely steam, and everything will become really crunchy and nice, and the flavor from the beef will blend in with the green beans. And here we have some sweet pepper and tomato, so we're just gonna put this in the inside afterwards, and we have some corn still left to go inside, so we're just gonna put this inside after everything is cooked, and it will get that nice warm from whatever is inside the pot already. So then it will begin to like taste really crunchy, and that's the taste I'm going for. Then I will be putting this inside of like a wrap, or you can just eat it like that. It's like a full meal. I feel for veggies, and that's what I get. I wanted to get some broccoli, but I didn't see any. Yeah. You know, when you're sick of eating all the different truck food, or I don't really eat at truck stop, see? It's getting to what I wanted. I just want it to become crunchy, and the juice from the beef and the sauce is gonna be blending up in all these veggies, and it's gonna taste really good. And this is a rock pot. I think this skillet is made by the Rock brand. It's pretty good. I've been using this same brand for like maybe 5 years, 6 years, if not, but different ones though. I tend to break them a lot because they bounce around in the truck, you know, so sometimes I have to get new ones. So it's just it's steaming right now. You can see the steam in the cover. Yeah. Here we are adding some tomato, sweet pepper. No, it's have some nice color. So this is what I feel like eating today. So what I'm gonna do here, we're just gonna blend. We'll just blend in the colors, make your food colorful. Looks good, it tastes good too. And that's what I feel like having for my dinner. Just some meat, veggies, and sorry for my fork in my pot. I have a the right thing, but I'm lazy to look for my fork. I'm not sure where I put it, and I've been having a couple tough days the last couple of days, you know, so I'm a bit impatient today and I don't want to look for nothing. I'm lazy. So look at that, guys. It's pretty colorful. So it looks good, and I can guarantee you it tastes good too as well. And just remember, that's truck style. That's steak with beans, green beans, sweet pepper, and tomato. And I'm gonna put some corn in there. I just want it to look colorful and attractive. You know, you can't buy that. You can't buy this kind of food on the street. What I make in my truck is way better than what you can buy on the street. So I'm just trying to absorb some of this sauce from the juice of the meat, and it will all blend up in the veggies. So yeah, we're gonna add some corn to this right now, and that's like a one down, you know, everything in one. It looks good, guys. I'm telling you, it looks good. And you just let that the steam gonna cook. The steam, you want to turn it down low, because I'm not trying to cook the peppers or anything. I just want them to heat and get that nice crunchy taste when I crunchy mess when I eat it, and it's ready to go. Yeah, we're gonna put some corn inside as well. And here we are adding some corn. I just want veggies. You tell me, guys, what do you think? I want you to comment, leave me something in the comment, tell me what you think. If you like it, leave me a heart. If you want to see more truck style cooking, let me know. See, my feet is right there. I think it looks really good. I don't want it to cook too much, so I'm gonna turn the heat down. I just want to have that crunchy. And remember, guys, I told you I have the right gears to be using, so yeah, I just want to have that crunchiness of the veggies. So I just want to take up the sauce from the meat and have that nice crunchiness, you know. So with the veggies, and that's like a full meal, you know. That's like a full in the street meal. You can't buy nothing like this on the road. You know? Let me taste one of these, how they taste. It's good. That nice crunchiness that I wanted. It's perfect. So I'll cover it again and let the corn get that moisture of the juice from the meat, and everything will be good, ready to eat. Let me know if you want to see me. You can just take that out and eat it all by itself. Or if you even want, you can make some rice or something. But today I'm just gonna eat it with like a wrap. So it's ready to go. And I'll show you how I clean up everything after. And you can just turn it to get the proper temperature. So you have like a thing here. You have different temperature. So it's off, low. It's pretty easy to work with, you know. So you can cook anything with this thing. See? Anything with this thing. Let me know if you're interested to find one like this. I can leave the link in the bio too as well. Tell me what you think, guys. I think it looks pretty yummy. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I think that looks pretty good.